music loud, city lights flashing, I'm lost in the crowd. Bangkok hustle, thumping right. Life's a beat and I move with pride. Tuck, tuck, bounce, take me through the town. Every little corner got a brand new sound. Scooter speed, I'm flying free. Nomad rhythm, that's the key. Grab my bag, boat on the bay. Editing clips while the waves just sway. Expat zone, yeah, this is my throne. Every port I land in, I call it home. Passport ready, journey steady. Life's a vibe, I'm always ready. Travel, loving every stance. World is moving, join the dance. Tuck, tuck, bounce, take me through the town. Every little corner got a brand new sound. Scooter speed, I'm flying free. Nomad rhythm, that's the key. Tuck, tuck, bounce, take me through the town. Every little corner got a brand new sound. Scooter speed, I'm flying free. Nomad rhythm, that's the key. Started in Manila, then I drifted to Hanoi. Street food stores, contend I deploy. Wi-Fi on my side, backpack never heavy. Life in motion, keep the vision steady. Now I'm at rhythm in my soul. Every border makes me whole. From the runway to the show, I just keep on wanting more. Yeah. Expat living, I be sipping Thai tea. Skytrain views while I edit my feet. Digital dreams turning hustle to streams. Every new city's a part of the theme. Scooter in the night, lights flashing by. Boat on the Mekong, stars in the sky. Every ride's a song, every trip's a vibe. Living life free, that's how I survive. Nomad rhythm, never stuck in one place. Life on the go, I'm winning this race. From the plane to the street, I move with the beat. Global heart, yeah, the journey's complete. Nomad rhythm, never stuck in one place. Life on the go, I'm winning this race. From the plane to the street, I move with the beat. Global heart, yeah, the journey's complete. Move with me, groove with me. Know my rhythm endlessly.
Chasing endless skies, and when I land in Cambodia, sun smiles of come remind me we all one. Coffee by the river, camp hot breeze, come a laughter flowing through the trees. Children wave as the boats drift by. A simple joy that money can't buy. Smiles in camp, but healing my soul. Care people shining, making me whole. Every step I take, I feel the song. This world's my family, where I belong. From Cambodia's heart to the next shore, the journey calls me to explore. waves into sleepless night. Motorbikes racing, freedom alive. City dreams where my spirit thrives. Nights in the night, I find my fire, freedom rising, lifting me high, living abroad. I'm chasing the flame, one love, one world, we're all the same. British Africa whispers my name. Zanzibar sunrise, never the same. Ooh, African sunrise. Oh, African sunrise. Kenya's rhythm, Tanzania's song. From Kigali streets, my heart feels strong. Markets alive, music on the breeze. Roots of the world grow deep in me. East African sunrise opens the air. Smiles of the people everywhere. From the coast to the mountains high. Our family stretches across the sky. But the road don't end, it bends again to Cyprus nights, where hearts are singing.
Okay, hello.
On the stone, I built a life but never alone. Expats gather under the moon, talking dreams that are coming soon. Living the soul nights, dancing free. Mediterranean whispers calling me. Money online keeps the fire strong. Working abroad, I still belong. And when the journey calls me home,
What's going on?
those lies guide me on.
Next one. No. Yes.
Thousand souls, all of us searching, chasing our goals. Screens of departure, faces of hope. Love in the transit, the world we hold. Lay over in Doha, strangers unite. Families of travelers through the night. Every journey is a prayer we sing. Every flight a brand new begin. The man am high, no way to transfer of dreams. Land to skies, we live from Africa's dance to Asia's song. We are family, we all build and call one big family. Hearts in sync, every culture, every link. We are travelers, dreamers too. The world belongs to me and you. And when 100 years go by, our songs will still light the sky. A century passes, but the rhythm remains. Expats, dreamers, chasing trains. Southeast Asia